In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fire hand effect in CapCut. To follow along, make sure you have your video ready. A clip where your hand is clearly visible works best. And we'll build the effect right on top of it. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Import your video so it appears on the timeline. Play it once to spot the exact moment you want the fire to appear. This will help you place the effect precisely. If you need finer control, pinch to zoom in on the timeline so your adjustments land exactly where you want them. Next, head to the Stickers section. This is where CapCut keeps animated graphics we can layer over your footage. Use the search bar and type Fire. You'll see a variety of options. Look for one that has motion, something with flames that flicker or loop naturally instead of a static image. Tap on a few to preview how they move, and choose the one that fits the mood of your video. Once you add the fire sticker, it will appear on its own track above your clip. Resize it by pinching and drag it so it sits just above your palm or between your fingers, depending on the look you're going for. Rotate it slightly so its angle matches the direction of your hand. Even a small tilt makes the effect feel more believable. Line up the start of the sticker with the moment your hand comes into frame or makes the gesture that summons the fire. Now, make the needed adjustments so it feels attached to your hand. Trim the sticker's duration so it ends exactly when you want the flames to stop. If the fire looks too harsh, lower the opacity a bit so it blends with the lighting of your shot. To keep it locked to your hand as you move, use keyframes. Position the playhead where the fire begins. Place the fire over your hand, add a keyframe, move forward a few frames, reposition the fire, and repeat. Smaller gaps between keyframes create smoother tracking, especially if your hand moves quickly. For extra realism, subtly scale and rotate the fire across keyframes to match your hand's motion, slightly larger as the hand moves closer to camera, and a touch smaller as it moves away. Scrub through the timeline to check your work. If the loop is noticeable, adjust the sticker's start and end points, or try a different fire animation with a smoother cycle. When it looks like the fire is truly sitting in your hand, you're done. The effect is complete and ready to impress.